The orchid is Mother Nature's masterpiece. It has the same significance in the plant kingdom as the tiger has in the animal kingdom. Orchids are the largest family and the most advanced flowering plants. Popular among the globe for their unmatched beauty, colors, and amazing shapes, there are around 25,000 to 28,000 species of orchids around the world. Mandal Valley, a pristine beauty near Gopeshwar town in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. This valley is loaded with the majestic colors of the Himalayan flora and fauna diversity. It is also renowned for its rare and extensive collection of orchids. Established in Mandal Valley, Orchid Conservation Centre is North India's first and the largest centre for orchid conservation. This centre is developed by the research wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department. Spread over an area of around 3 acres, Orchid Conservation Centre is home to around 70 orchid species, most of which are medicinally and ecologically important. A native of Uttarakhand, boat orchids are one of the most beautiful types of flowers frequently used in flower arrangements and corsazes. The centre houses threatened species like Salam Panja. Tuber of Salam Panja are used in treating bone fractures, cough, bronchitis, and wounds. Named after its resemblance to a butterfly, butterfly orchid has a pleasing fragrance. This is another threatened species like Salam Panja. This is Vanda cristata. The stern and leaf extract of Vanda cristata is used as a tonic. Draupadi Mala or foxtail orchid is the state flower of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It is an integral part of a Bihu dance's attire. The Orchid Conservatory is also home to species of genus Dendrobium. These orchids are potential ornamental plants and are also used in horticulture. The centre has 2 species of ladies' sleeper orchid that comes under the threatened category. Newly discovered species like Laparis pygmy and Cephalanthala erecta, variety oblanceolate, are also conserved here. The Orchid Conservation Centre has an interpretation centre, a nursery, and a 1.25 km long orchid trail. Inside the interpretation centre, one can see history of orchids and features of orchid that distinguish it from other flowering plants. There is also information on one of the most enduring plant obsession, known as Orchidarium or the flower madness. The enchanting beauty and aroma of orchids has also allured many poets and writers. Their work on orchids is also displayed in the Orchid Conservation Centre. There are 3 main categories of orchids: terrestrial, epiphyte, and saprophytic. Terrestrial orchids grow on the ground, while epiphyte orchids grow upon another plant or object. Saprophytic orchids grow on dead and decaying material. Orchids are not only important for their aesthetic value but also as ecological indicators. Their disappearance indicates a change in the quality of ecosystem as they are very sensitive to habitat degradation and fragmentation. The overexploitation of orchids from the wild, forest fires, climate change, deforestation, and smuggling has threatened their existence. Even today, any new discovery of an orchid species may result in rampant smuggling and being sold at exorbitant prices. Orchids have a mystique that seems to set them apart from most other flowers. They are elegant and almost unreal in their perfection. A symbol of love, beauty, strength and wealth, orchids are one of the most wondrous creations of nature that needs to be conserved today.